Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn how to promote SEO. How can I enable SEO? Search engine optimization Magento 2. So guys, firstly enter a username and password in admin area, right? And we are going. She is here dashboard and click on store and click on customer. Configuration and see this is general tab and second tab on web, right? And here is option allow for search engine optimization rewrite. So here is click on yes and save this, right guys? And then click on this is for cache system, so we are click on and cache refresh because R is all of things available on cache. So refresh and then only simple, right? So okay, this is refresh button. So and second things, we are promote product categories and pages also. So suppose any product for promote, so click in on product and click on simple product firstly, right? So guys, click on scroll and you see here is search engine optimization, right? So assign here is meta title, right? Meta title for suppose we are search anything. Suppose Magento 2 docs. Magento 2 docs. Right. So this is this type of this one is like this is meta title, right? Meta title is copy and is paste. This is meta title and Magento docs. This is guys keyword, right? And description, this one is description. This one is a description. Enter here. So guys, this is save product and this is also to promote your website in Google and other search engine, and click on existing product, click on here and we are going to in search engine optimization area, right? And assign here, right? This one, this is just the full back, right? This is this one and this is also key one, right? This is right back in just only at 449,000, this one. Or maybe you can add this one in best price, or maybe a sign is free shipping. So anything you want to add, anything, right? As per search engine, you want to promote your keywords and descriptions, to save it. And this is search engine optimization in Magento 2. And if you want to add same thing in pages, so going to here in pages, right? And suppose you have to about us and other things, right? About us. So same thing here, click on here about, and this one guides about. The same thing is process here, meta title. So meta title is guys, so on title of top, this one, this is meta title something, this is title and meta description for this and keyword for this, right? So this is as per your requirement, as for you want to increase your traffic, keywords and descriptions and product detailing, so you can add anything, right? So this is search engine optimization Magento 2. If you fulfill all criteria, right, keyword is as per your requirement. Description is Magento give also how many keywords or strings enter in Magento description. You see, click on any product. Here is click. I'm going to Magento search engine optimization here, and you see guys, this is maximum character 25 character. Meta description should optimally be between 150 to 160 character. If you have perfect character combination in 150 and 160, this is best for Google, right? So thank you so much guys. This is search engine optimization Magento 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem about SEO, so please let me know or comments me. I revert back, and please subscribe me and share me. Thank you so much.